I'll say, oh, paparazzi. Look at this paparazzi.
Well, indeed, but I mean, we can look at the Black Lives Matter demonstrations, for example, and other crowd events that we've had over the last few weeks, and we're not seeing an uptick in infections as a result of those. Now, again, we're only just coming into the period where we might expect to see a definite outcome, but all the lines on the graphs continue to point downwards. I understand that, for example, that the vaccine trials are beginning to run into difficulty because the rate of infection is so low, but it's not at all clear that trials in England will be able to recruit enough people exposed to infection to be able to give us valid results, which is why they're looking to Brazil and South Africa, where the infection is more prevalent.
So are you in favour of the lockdown being rolled back or perhaps even done away with altogether?
Well, at some point we're going to have to do away with it altogether. I think the point at which that happens is still a matter of some debate and judgment. But I think the government is correct to recognise that the risks of transmission, the prevalence of the disease are declining quite rapidly. And there is certainly a point at which the costs of maintaining the lockdown begin to exceed the costs of releasing it. I mean, some economists have suggested that we passed that point actually 2 or 3 weeks